Hey, let me show you how you can speed up your Redmi Pad Pro. So first of all, let's start from the settings. Now we have to go into the additional settings. And first, I will recommend you to use the memory extension. So we can add 4, 6 or even 8 gigs of the RAM. So when you select one of the following option, you will have to reboot your tablet to apply changes. Next, if you are playing games, it's also very useful to use the game turbo, which is located right here. Just wait until it will be turned on, click on the settings, and now be sure that you turn it on. When you go for some performance, you can enable the performance optimization, and also you can increase the speed of your Wi-Fi by using this function. Also, when you go for the performance mode, you can enable the Wi-Fi optimization and optimize touch controls. And now when you go back from this one, we can also find another options. Like for example, be sure that you switch from the battery saver mode to the normal balance mode. And just remember to enable 120 Hz refresh rate, so everything will look definitely better, animations will look more smoother. And yeah, this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.